What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another testing of the Ryobi zero-turn electric lawnmower. And what we're doing today is a little bit of an endurance test. Now I'm going to give you about a 30-day update here because that's about how long we've been using it. And I've had zero functionality issues. Everything has been working out a-okay. I have been keeping this thing on the charger 24/7. So Ryobi is telling us this thing will do about 2¼ acres. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to a neighbor's house who has a little bit over 2 acres, and we're gonna mow as much as we can. And then if there's any battery left, we're gonna drive this thing back home. It's about a 1/4 mile away. And then once we get back to this property, we're gonna mow as much as we can. And we're gonna find out exactly what this thing does and compare it to what Ryobi says. And then we're gonna find out what happens when this thing dies. You know, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna get it back to the charger? I mean, this thing is, you know, it's pretty heavy. I'm sure we can push it. I don't wanna have to push it. So let's watch this video and see what happens next. We're about halfway into it. We've done about, or exactly 1 full acre, maybe just a little bit over an acre, and we are at 45% battery life, so that's a little bit less than half. We have about an acre more to go, so we're gonna go and try to do that right now. So let's see what this thing can do. So I need to hurry up before this thing runs out. right, so we got about 15%. We finished the 2 acre and change lot, and I'm gonna try to get back home by driving about a quarter of a mile. So let's see if this thing can make it. 15. Alright, I think that's a wrap. 5%, and now the blades just shut off automatically. So if you want to know what happens when this thing runs out of batteries completely, it's going to shut off the blades, but I can still move around. I'm not sure how long I can do this for, but that's great because I can get back into the shop and get this thing on the charger. So here's a little side point. If grandma needs a new wheelchair, you know, just take the blades off. This thing is super rad. She could do wheelies. It's probably a little faster. You know, people are gonna get out of her way for sure. So put your grandmas on these things, man. Your grandpas, whoever. So there you go, guys. This thing will do about 2¼ acres. It's at least that, if not more. And it does pretty well for what it is, you know, a residential lawnmower. You know, it does fairly well. So if you like any of these videos, please stay tuned. We're gonna be having more videos, different kinds of tests. And hit that like and subscribe button, please, guys. So I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.